So here at St. Norbert College, we're really excited to announce the establishment of our sacred music major. It's so important to us as a Catholic institution to be able to offer this degree and a major where students will have real-world experience when they are able to go out and do internships at the various churches around Green Bay, to get mentorship from a wealth of faculty and church musicians here at the college, to be able to get experience practicing on the organ at St. Norbert Abbey, probably the best instrument in Northeast Wisconsin. There's so many opportunities to grow in sacred music here. It's a rigorous curriculum. You'll get the skills on the piano, the ability to conduct. You also do take lessons in voice as part of the program. And this builds on a foundation in music theory, a foundation in music history, even the basic keyboard and ear training. These skills will be very important to your development. It's the applied aspect, the performance, it's the theoretical knowledge, and the knowledge of the Mass and the liturgy. There's a demand and a need within our diocese and the greater universal church that is a need we want to be able to serve here. I think it's very important to our Catholic mission that we can serve that need. It's a college to career major. This means that you go to college at St. Norbert and there is going to be a job in music ministry. Director of music at a church is one path you could take. Maybe you compose music. Maybe you take the path to go to graduate school and continue your studies. Church musician in general will be an important outcome for this. There are also a lot of positions in educational institutions, particularly Catholic schools, parochial schools. So there are multiple ways forward. Sacred music is very much integrated into all we do here at the college, and we're really well positioned to be able to provide you the experience that will put you in a really good position to do good work in the future.